Why is China still the world's top destination for sourcing office supplies?
Hi, Hendrik here from RLKGroup. China is still on top. The reason behind it is actually the history of how everything developed. China is tremendously strong in clustering businesses. So China has the political landscape that said somewhere in the past, this particular area makes this product. So there's a county level normally, there is this clustering, which pretty much means in Anji County, for instance, you can buy office chairs. Now, mostly Europeans or Westerners did not hear of Anji County before, but Anji County is where you buy office chairs, traditionally. Tonglu County is where you buy ball pens. What happened is all suppliers are in Anji County for office chairs, all suppliers for ball pens are in Tonglu County. They're suppliers. So the person that makes plastic raw material pellets, they are also in that area. So the suppliers and their suppliers are there, which means flexibility is very, very high in these areas. Other countries, let's say Bangladesh, let's say India, let's say Vietnam, they do not have this structured plan behind their manufacturing. They have manufacturing here, they have manufacturing there, but they do not have this clustering. And this clustering is what makes China strong, what makes China flexible. And they are doing it for years. They are not doing it since yesterday. In the office supply sector, we're talking about inexpensive products. So simply thinking about German wages, French wages, it is very difficult to make ball pens that cost in the end something around 10 cents. It is, I think, actually impossible. Therefore, you have to go to lower cost countries. Now, of course, Bangladesh, of course, Vietnam, of course, India, there are a few others that have low wages. However, they do not have this clustering. They do not have this history behind it. They do not have the infrastructure. They do not have the harbors. They do not have the ship frequencies. So China is still and will be for quite some time the top destination for manufacturing. The quality is fine. The history is there. They know what they're doing and they are not letting go. So if you need anything, let us know.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.